All right, today we have on the bench Armatron. I think I saw one of these as a kid that was broken and was never fixed ever, and I always wondered what it would be like to be able to play with this. I don't remember exactly when it came out, so I don't know if this was before my childhood. It all kind of blends together. But, yeah, I saw it for parts or repair on eBay, and, of course, I bought it. So, looked like it had just a loose wire on it, but you don't really know with these things on eBay. It's super old. It's made of plastic. Like, are there broken pieces? It could be a disaster area inside of this box. I don't really know what to expect, but right now, the best things. This thing is so cool. All right. Let's get into this thing. All right. Some bubble wrap. I see an arm. I see a claw. Radioshack. God, that place was garbage. They always had unique things, but general hot garbage. Radioshack. Good luck leaving without a freaking cell phone. Man, they belled the ball. Right. Let's get this out of the way. Actually, before I reveal that. Ooh, look at these things. Man. That's something with the game Half-Life right there. Alright. Awesome. What happened to that Radioshack piece? What are you doing? Oh, sweet. Okay. Armatron. Yes. The Armatron is handy and made by Tandy. Man, I remember being so captivated by this thing as a kid. It's hard to remember back that far. Like, did I see this on TV and associate it with some sort of core memory? Or did I actually have one of these in my life that was broken? Maybe the mystery will be solved through the repair of Armatron. Yes. Oh, you strong. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure what's wrong with this thing. I know the inside of here is just a cacophony of gears and crazy things. So I'm hoping it's just the wire that's broken so that we can play with Armatron. But we won't really know until we get inside. However, this is just an unboxing. I'm not working on this yet. My next project is a Teddy Rupkins. Picked one up locally from Facebook Marketplace, and I think it might just have corroded terminals, but it's an animatronic bear. So, I mean, it could have all sorts of things wrong with it. And it's old, just like everything. It's all old. So, that's up next, because it's almost Halloween, and I want to make a spooky Ruckspin. So stay tuned for that. That's next. After that's done, we're going to get into Armatron. like and subscribe. Armatron can't. Sad.